Ouch. It's a little tight spot with this bed, I'm telling you. Hopefully everything's still recording. With your YouTube channel. All right. So in this video, I want to go ahead and talk to you. All right, so here we go. Okay, so now that you have seen it on the wall, go ahead and get into it. All right, well, that's it for that lesson. So now what I would like you to do, and I'll see you there. Okay, so in this video, I want to teach you about mindset. And you may to it. Okay, well, there you go. Now you know the mindset strategy that's going to help you to have success in your online business. See you there. In affiliate marketing. At this current time, I am promoting I look forward to seeing you guys very soon. I get a notification to your success, my friend. Take care.